Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable autoplay for animated emojis in your Emoji Status on the Telegram app for PC, especially after the latest update. If you've noticed those animated emojis playing automatically and you'd rather keep things simple or less distracting, this setting is easy to adjust once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A side menu will appear. From here, click on Settings to open your account settings. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced option. Click on Advanced to access more detailed controls. Now, within the Advanced section, look for the Animated Emoji setting. Make sure this option is enabled first because the autoplay control only appears when animated emojis are turned on. Once animated emoji is enabled, you'll see the option for autoplay in Emoji Status. This is the feature that automatically plays animated emojis in your status. Simply toggle this option off to disable autoplay. After making this change, don't forget to click on Save to apply your setting.